Do you want to know how strong your lungs are? Belaku Healthcare Private Limited, Bangalore, presents lung test animated tool for your assistance. Disclaimer: this is not a test to identify, detect, or even rule out COVID-19 infection. This is not an alternate test for standard medical tests to detect COVID-19. If one breaks into cough or cannot hold their breath beyond 10 to 15 seconds using this tool, please consult your physician for further assessment. In case you can hold your breath up to 45 seconds and or beyond using this tool does not mean you may not have COVID-19 infection. This test is a simple tool for common man for self-assessment so that you can approach your physician for help as early as possible. Please sit in a comfortable position. Now, take a deep breath and hold. Start. Please reattempt. If it persists, please consult a doctor. Good. You can improve. Well done. Your lung seems to be strong. Excellent. Super strong lungs. Congratulations.